Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing for Friday, the 13th of June, 2025. So we're starting here with the synoptic yesterday at lunchtime, and we can see there's a warm front followed by a cold front coming up from the sort of southwest. But that gave us a sort of southeasterly, was that southeasterly flow yesterday? So southwesterly flow ended up on runway 23 yesterday, which wasn't brilliant. We run that through midnight last night and into lunchtime today. We can see we've got this low pressure to the north of Scotland. It's giving us a southwesterly flow again. It's going to put us on runway 23 again, which is quite brisk. And we've got this sort of curving cold front, sort of warm front feature, which is going to be bringing us a bit of thundery weather. I think we're going to be quite lucky, and we're going to be in between the two main sort of thundery areas today, so we should get a decent day's flying out of it. Through midnight tonight into Saturday lunchtime, and this low pressure is now centred round about North Wales, sort of Liverpool area, and that's put the cold front out into the, or just into the sort of North Sea off the coast of East Anglia. Satpic at the moment is showing a fair bit of clear sky. There is some cloud heading our way, and that might give us a bit of top colour for a few hours. I'm hoping that's going to break up again. If we look at the rain radar, already on the radar is this sort of rain down to the southwest, and that is sort of moving slowly northwards. And if we look at the rain forecast, we can see that does turn out to be quite a heavy bit of rain as we come into the afternoon. It's probably not going to get anywhere near us. It's closest it's kind of going to get us about Bristol area. But later on, we've got this next wedge of sort of thundery sort of rain coming up just to the east of us. Okay, a little change in direction, we could be caught in this. So if you're parking your gliders out overnight tonight, it might be worthwhile making sure they're well tied down. But safer still, put them in the trailers. Odium TAF then, they're forecasting 210 degrees, 10 knots Cavo K. And if we have a look at Middle Wallop a bit to the west of us, we've got 190, 10 degrees, greater than 10k visibility, few at 1,500 feet, and a 30% chance up until about 0900 Zulu, scattered at 1,800 feet. Spot winds to the north of us, 1,000-foot wind, 210, 10 knots. To the south of us, 110, 10 knots. And if we look at windy on the surface here at Lasham, we have at 7 o'clock this morning about 9 knots southwesterly, and at about 6 o'clock in the afternoon, we've got about 3 knots southeasterly. So we're going to be on runway 23 all day, I think, with the wind dying down as the day goes on. We have a yellow warning for thunderstorms for this area. And if we have a look at the local Met Office sort of forecast for this area, it's showing a bit of sunshine in the morning, starting to cloud over in the afternoon. Temperatures up at about 22, 23, maybe even 24. Winds starting off southwesterly, going round southerly through the main part of the day to southeasterly later on in the afternoon. Gusting up into the teens, and we'll just bring that up a little bit further, having a look at the UV. We're up into the 7s in the sort of mid part of the day there, so make sure you've got plenty of sunscreen. And it is going to feel quite warm out there, even though there's a breeze blowing. GFS, they're suggesting it's going to be even warmer. This is the forecast temperature for noon. This area about 22, 24 centigrade, with the dew point down at about 12. So a reasonable split there. And looking at the airfield now, we have 19 centigrade and the dew point of 14. The one camera that we have got available, it's not a great picture this morning. but that's looking north, and you can see there's already a fair bit of that cloud cover there. SkySight is suggesting that cloud cover is going to burn off, or should have burnt off by now. Although they are showing a little bit of the top cover up at the top here. So, yeah, maybe by about 10:30, 11 o'clock in the morning, we should have nice clear blue skies. And they're also suggesting sort of 2 to 3 knot thermals up to maybe about 2,500 feet at best. Top meteo, if we run this through from 9 o'clock this morning, hour on hour, the sort of thermal heights are up to about 2,000 feet by 10, 11 o'clock, maybe up to 3,000 feet throughout the rest of the day. I don't think it's going to get much better than that, maybe 3,500 feet at most. No times then. I'm just going to deal with the local ones. 18 is Barton Stacey, that's usual sort of rocket firing range out there. The danger height's up to 1,600 feet AMSL now. 19 is not applicable to us. It's after 8 p.m. this evening. And 23 is Ash Ranges. That's Delta 132 is active today. We'll move on then to the local airfield briefing, and we shall start with the ODM cross section. And they're showing some of this upper cloud early on as well, but clearing by about 10 o'clock local time, but then reappearing sort of late on, just at 3, 4 in the afternoon, but top cover coming in. So we'll just keep an eye on that. Otherwise, it's quite a reasonable day by the looks of it. Surface wind, southerly, yeah, sort of 8 to 10 knots at the most. So bookings and availability today, there's a couple of K21s on booked instruction. There's 2 on K13s on the instructor course. There's a K21 on course flying. Another one on the casual list. A K13 available for trial lessons. There is single seat availability today. There's a couple of people on the casual list, so if there's any instructors out there that would like to help out, please come out to the launch point and get stuck in. There's also the simulator available as per usual. If you're going to see this one for the next few months, it's around about the winter wave soaring season up at Boeing. We'll be up there in October. If you want to come along, come and have a chat with myself, Evan or Barry, and then make your booking at the office. There is one arrival today. It's not been confirmed by email. There was messages about it yesterday. There's a PA31 arriving at 2 o'clock local. General situation today then, there's low pressure to the north of Scotland. It's giving a southwesterly flow. There is going to be the potential for thunderstorms out to the west to begin with, and then perhaps out to the east later on in the evening. We'll be on runway 23, cables to the southeast side. Please be ready when the cable or tug arrives, and please do not land or taxi on the disused runways shown in red on the next slide. And of course, please clean your gliders and motor gliders before you put them away. So here's the setup for today. Launch point vehicle will be on the hard, winching to the southeast side, area towing to the northwest side, landing on the grass. Please give yourself plenty of room over the trees in the undershoot. Excuse me. And make sure you land well into the field. That's it from me today. Have a great day's flying. Please keep it safe. Please have lots of fun. I'll see you out there.